Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit videos using AI. As you can see on my screen, right? This is a channel where almost all of their videos are made entirely with AI. Everything is done by AI. Here, these are just some parts. This is the video title. They have text here, they have voiceover, and they have background music. See, the content just keeps looping. The next video is like this. See, the video looks like this. It's very simple to make. Right here, I'll guide you through it step by step. There we go, it's all set now. This is the main user interface of the specialized channel building software that I use for my projects. So, as you can clearly see, everything you need is right here in front of you. To create a brand new AI video, first you really need to go to the section labeled Create a Video. Here in this area, I have some various news links saved, for example from sources like the BBC, Nature, The Guardian, and so on. For instance, I'll choose a specific BBC News article to demonstrate. Here, you can scan the total number of articles available in that particular news section, or you can choose to go directly to the official BBC website to get the direct article link yourself. For example, let's just say I take this specific article link right here, then I just go back to that channel section, or I can simply paste the link in manually. But I don't really like using that particular method, so I'll just choose a different way instead. For example, I'll scan 10 different article links at once. Then the system will scan all of the posts automatically. As you can see, it successfully scans all 10 articles and pulls absolutely everything together for you. There you go, it is all finished. These 10 articles are related to politics, some are about military topics, for example. So after scanning and getting 10 articles, what's next? Next, you'll select a line. After you've scanned and collected 10 articles from BBC News, of course, you can also choose The Guardian or even CNN to scan as well. So here I'll choose a voiceover. Here, for language, I'll choose English because by default it's set to Vietnamese. So here we have several voice options available. Here it provides everything you need. Here I can use your void as well. Alright, now I'll choose void. Hello, welcome to our automated video crew. So after you've chosen the voice, right? Then you select the soundtrack option, for example, according to this system. Then according to your tempo section, for example, system here, let's say I choose this music section, it will automatically select for you. That's the branding selection, choosing the brand here. For example, here you can see, right? All these sections can also be changed. For instance, the logo up here can also be changed to your own logo, or the section below here, everything can be customized. Once you're done, you click apply, for example, then you click select. After finishing, you'll go to the video management section here. Here, you'll see all the videos that are being processed. For example, these videos that are currently being made. So here, I'll take a sample video section. Let's see, let's use this video effect. On April 10th, 2011, 21-year-old Rory McIlroy went into the polls. In fact, McIlroy won the US Open by 8 strokes. Of course, all of this happens while it's being created, right? So I can test it out for you. For example, regarding the section for changing the template above and below here. For example, this logo section and the section below as well. The video tempo section, there you go. Here, for example, I can create a new one. For instance, here I can upload my own logo, or for the video footer, I can upload my own image, upload my brand image, or I can just change the color as usual. For the label, for example, the brand message section, title, description, source. Everything is available and provided for you. It will only be limited by your own creativity. And if you want to go further, you can even make a post, for example, by going to the automatic section. Then you can go to Add New York. Here, you can select some articles you want. For example, I'll choose a CNN article. I'll copy the article link, for instance, and then add it to my channel. So here, you can write that each. For example, here I'm setting it so that every hour it will scan the article once. It increases by 1 each time. Here, I'll just set it to 12, for instance, and each time, every 12 hours, it will scan a certain number of posts. For example, here it will scan about 6 posts. Just like that, for example. As for the soundtrack availability, you can choose yourself. Here, you can set the default hashtag if you want, it's up to you. And in addition, you select the account you want to post from. Here, I can select 5 accounts at the same time, that's totally fine. There, just select the name again. Oh, it selects the void section again. So here, select the English image, then choose to use void, for example. Yeah, so basically when you upload it, that's how it will be. It's really simple, so you don't even need to open the software. just let it run automatically, then go back to the video and check how many videos have been created. If not, I'll redo it. Here, I've finished these 2 videos. For example, US Army, 10th Iran, via state news agency, IA said it's on set.